Not all reliable cars have to cost a fortune. And if you're working with a $30,000 budget, you've got more solid options than you might think. Whether you want something efficient, fun, or practical, there actually are some dependable rides that won't break the bank. Today, we're going to talk about 17 surprising cars you can get for under $30,000. By the end of this video, you'll ask why these cars are priced so cheap when they're so good. Number 17. Kia Picanto. If you're looking for reliable transportation without the extra fluff, the Kia Picanto is one of the most dependable tiny hatchbacks you can get. This thing is small enough to park just about anywhere, yet surprisingly roomy on the inside. It doesn't pretend to be sporty or luxurious, but it nails the basics. Simple controls, low maintenance costs, and a peppy little engine that gets the job done. It's powered by a fuel-sipping 1.0-liter or 1.2-liter engine, perfect for city driving. And while it may not break any speed records, it more than makes up for that with long-term durability and Kia's 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. You get all this for a price of just $17,000. Owners love how easy it is to live with. No unnecessary tech to get in the way. Just a practical car that starts every morning and rarely complains. Number 16. Nissan Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is one of those cars that quietly does everything right. It doesn't scream for attention, but if you're on a budget and want a new SUV that's reliable, efficient, and packed with features, it checks all the boxes. It's one of the least expensive crossovers on the US market with a price of $21,800. And yet it comes standard with things like Apple CarPlay, automatic emergency braking, and a surprising amount of cargo space. Under the hood, it's got a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that's tuned more for fuel economy than speed. But that's kind of the point. You're getting 31 miles per gallon in the city and 36 on the highway, which makes it a perfect everyday commuter. It's not all-wheel drive, but the Kicks is front-wheel drive and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver through tight urban spaces. Number 15. Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta might not be the first car that comes to mind when you think of bulletproof reliability. But Volkswagen has been steadily improving, and the latest Jetta models have quietly become one of the most well-rounded compact sedans on the market. For around $23,000, you're getting a car that feels more refined than most in its class. With a spacious interior, sharp steering, and a turbocharged engine that makes the daily drive a little more fun. It's powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 158 horsepower, which is more than enough for highway merging or spirited weekend drives. Plus, it offers an available manual transmission if you're into that sort of thing. Inside, you'll find a clean, modern dashboard and user-friendly tech, including a standard 6.5-inch touchscreen with smartphone connectivity. And despite the German badge, the Jetta is known to be easy to maintain, with newer models showing solid reliability and low running costs. Number 14. Toyota Corolla Cross. Think of the Corolla Cross as the Corolla's slightly taller, more outdoorsy sibling. Toyota took everything that made the regular Corolla so dependable, the efficient engine, no-fuss design, and excellent reliability, and packaged it into a compact SUV that feels right at home in the city or on a weekend road trip. It's not flashy, but that's exactly why people love it. For just $24,000, you get a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, making 169 horsepower. It's not built for speed, but it's composed, confident, and surprisingly capable. Toyota includes its full suite of safety features standard, like adaptive cruise control and lane departure alert. And there's plenty of ground clearance and cargo room for daily errands or weekend getaways. Number 13. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is what happens when a car maker refuses to treat budget-friendly like a compromise. Even around the $25,000 mark, the Mazda 3 looks and feels like it belongs in a higher price bracket. Sleek styling, a refined interior, and a surprisingly fun drive make it stand out in a crowded field of compact cars. You can get it as a sedan or a hatchback, both powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine pushing out 191 horsepower. It's responsive and lively, perfect for those who still enjoy the feeling of a well-balanced car. Number 12. Suzuki Swift Hybrid. While it's not exactly available in the US, the Suzuki Swift Hybrid has a strong reputation in Europe and Asia. It costs around $25,000, and for that price, you get a car that's ultra-light, fuel-efficient, and extremely low maintenance. Under the hood is a 1.2-liter mild hybrid system. Nothing fancy or over-engineered, just a smart blend of electric assist and traditional gas power. It's not built for thrills, but it excels at what matters, squeezing every last drop of fuel, slipping through tight urban spaces, and lasting for years without drama. Despite its compact size, it's roomy inside, and owners love how nimble and easy it is to park. Number 11. Subaru Crosstrek. If you need something rugged, dependable, and ready for just about any adventure, the Subaru Crosstrek has your back. Priced at $25,600, this small crossover delivers standard all-wheel drive, impressive ground clearance, and the kind of go-anywhere confidence most SUVs twice the price struggle to match. It comes with a 2.0-liter flat-4 engine making 152 horsepower, or you can bump up to a 2.5-liter if you want more grunt. Either way, it's not a speed demon, but it's built to last and can handle rough weather or rocky paths like a champ. The Crosstrek also gets good fuel economy for an all-wheel drive vehicle, and the interior is practical and thoughtfully designed. Throw in Subaru's excellent safety reputation and strong resale value, and you've got one of the best all-rounders for the money. Number 10. Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. If you're trying to stretch every gallon without sacrificing comfort or features, the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid is one of the smartest buys out there. Coming in at $26,200, it blends excellent fuel economy with the kind of high-tech interior you wouldn't expect at this price. And because it's a Hyundai, you also get that unbeatable 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Under the hood is a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, giving you a combined 139 horsepower. That may not sound like much, but what you lose in speed, you gain in smooth, efficient commuting. We're talking over 50 miles per gallon. The cabin has a clean, modern layout with 2 digital displays that feel lifted from a luxury car. And when it comes to reliability, Hyundai's hybrid system has proven to be one of the most dependable in the game. Number 9. Honda Civic. There's a reason the Honda Civic keeps showing up on best of lists. It just works. Reliable, practical, and now better looking than ever. The latest Civic starts at $26,500 and feels like a grown-up compact car without the grown-up price tag. It's sharp, refined, and built to last. The base engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing 158 horsepower, but you can upgrade to a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine for added power. Either way, you're getting solid performance with great fuel economy and Honda's reputation for long-term reliability. The interior is clean and user-friendly, with materials that punch above their weight class. And best of all, it just keeps going. It's not uncommon to see Civics with 200,000-plus miles still holding strong. Number 8. Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima has been quietly holding its ground in the midsize sedan segment for years, and it's one of those cars that surprises you with just how much it offers, especially for the price. Starting at $27,000, the Altima delivers a comfortable ride, a spacious cabin, and solid fuel economy, all wrapped in a sharp-looking design that doesn't scream budget car. Under the hood, the standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine makes 188 horsepower, which is more than enough for your daily drive. It's smooth, efficient, and reliable, especially when paired with Nissan's continuously variable transmission. And for those in colder climates, the Altima is one of the few sedans in its class that offers available all-wheel drive, giving you extra peace of mind in bad weather. Number 7. Toyota Prius. The Prius has always been about one thing: unmatched fuel economy. But the newest model? It adds style and performance to the mix. At $27,500, the redesigned Prius is no longer just a king of hybrids. It's now one of the best all-around cars under $30,000, period. Toyota gave it a much-needed design glow-up with sleek lines and a surprisingly sporty profile. Underneath, it still houses the legendary 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain, which now makes 194 horsepower and gets well over 50 miles per gallon. But the real magic is in how it drives: smoother, quicker, and quieter than ever before. Inside, it's comfortable and well-equipped, with Toyota's latest infotainment system and all the driver assist tech you'd expect. And of course, you're backed by Toyota's bulletproof reliability, making it one of the best options on the market. Number 6. Subaru Legacy. Not everyone wants an SUV, but that's where the Subaru Legacy steps in. It's a traditional mid-size sedan with an untraditional trick up its sleeve. Standard all-wheel drive. For $27,900, you get a spacious, comfortable car that feels rock solid on the road, rain or shine. The base engine is a 2.5-liter flat 4 with 182 horsepower. Smooth, reliable, and perfectly adequate for daily driving. But what makes the Legacy stand out is how sure-footed it feels in bad weather. Whether you're facing a snowy commute or a wet back road, the all-wheel drive system gives you a level of control most sedans can't match. Inside, it's roomy, quiet, and surprisingly well-appointed, especially in the mid-trims. Subaru also loads it up with eyesight safety features like adaptive cruise and lane keeping assist. The Legacy may fly under the radar, but if you're after a rock-solid daily driver with all-weather confidence, it's hard to beat. Number 5. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has been a symbol of long-lasting reliability for decades. And nothing's changed, except now it looks sharper, drives better, and still undercuts a lot of its rivals on price. The base LE model starts at $28,400, and for that, you're getting a mid-size sedan that's nearly bulletproof. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine delivers 203 horsepower, plenty for highway cruising or zipping around town. It's smooth, efficient, and built to last, with owners regularly reporting 200,000+ miles without major issues. The cabin is roomy and quiet, with solid materials and Toyota's latest infotainment setup. It's not flashy, but it's trustworthy in every way that counts. And that's exactly why the Camry continues to be one of the best-selling cars in America. Number 4. Kia Sportage Hybrid. Here's where efficiency meets space and modern style. The Kia Sportage Hybrid offers something few vehicles do at this price. Hybrid fuel economy, SUV versatility, and well-equipped interior, all for $28,600. It comes with a turbocharged 1.6-liter hybrid engine making 227 horsepower, so it's surprisingly quick for something so economical. And while it's sipping gas, you're also enjoying a roomy cabin packed with tech. Dual digital displays, smartphone integration, and advanced safety features all come standard. The new Sportage also has that sharp, futuristic look that makes it stand out on the road. And like most Kias these days, it's backed by a strong 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Number 3. Honda Accord. Honda took everything people loved about the Accord, the smooth ride, solid build quality, and near-legendary reliability, and gave it a fresh, upscale redesign. The base model starts at $29,000, and honestly, it feels like it should cost more. You get a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with 192 horsepower, paired with Honda's latest CVT, which delivers power seamlessly while keeping fuel economy solid. The real charm, though, is inside. Wide seats, soft touch materials, and an airy layout that makes the car feel more premium than you'd expect for under $30,000. There's also a hybrid version if you want even more miles per gallon, but even the base model gives you years of dependable service. Number 2. Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Everyone knows the Corolla is one of the most dependable cars ever built, but the Corolla Hybrid, starting at $29,000, takes that legacy and cranks the fuel efficiency through the roof. With over 50 miles per gallon combined, with Toyota's proven hybrid system under the hood. It uses a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, making 138 horsepower. Not powerful, but that's not the point. This car is built to outlast everything and sip fuel while doing it. You still get Toyota's Safety Sense suite standard, plus a surprisingly well-designed cabin with a solid infotainment system. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just trying to cut down on gas station visits, the Corolla Hybrid is as reliable as it gets, and it's designed to just keep going no matter how many miles you rack up. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. Topping our list is the Toyota RAV4, and for good reason. It's the best-selling SUV in America, and it's not hard to see why. Rock-solid reliability, smart design, and everyday usability all wrapped into a comfortable package. The base model starts at $29,800, just under our $30,000 ceiling. Under the hood, you get a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, making 203 horsepower. The same engine that's been proving itself across Toyota's lineup. The RAV4 has plenty of room for passengers and cargo, and it's one of the few compact SUVs that still offers a true mechanical feel in how it drives. Toyota's safety tech comes standard, and if you ever decide to trade it in, the resale value is among the best in the business. It's not just reliable, it's the total package. And that's why it claims the #1 spot. What do you think about these cars? Should they cost more, or are they not worth it? Feel free to drop your opinions in the comments.